Hey, I got a fun little challenge for you. Check out the melody for Mad World, and as you're listening to it, try to imagine if you accidentally wrote this yourself, how would you go about making it so that it didn't sound like Tears for Fears anymore? What's up? I'm Avi. Welcome back to my Melody Madness, where I'm celebrating the release of my course, the Melody Mastery Mini Course. More on that at the end of the video. So what were you able to come up with? Because this is a little bit tricky, right? I'm sure that you, like me, have come across a point in your writing journey where you were just like, crap, man, I just wrote a song that already exists. It happens. It happens to absolutely everybody. Let's just start with the same first bar right off the bat. If we just play ba-da, 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 let's just play that a couple of times, using some repetition here to our advantage, and we're just going to see where my ear wants to take it from there and try and take this out of its context a little bit. Cool, okay. So something that's coming to me right now is maybe doing like ba-da-da-ba-ba, something a little bit faster than what we have in Tears for Fears here. This feels like it's more in 3 now, actually. Let's see what happens if we just put it in 3. So that's it. We have our new melody. Just having this string to pull from my inner ear, I was able to come up with something new, and in this case, maybe even salvage something, so I didn't have to come up with brand new material. Awesome. Let's listen to Tears for Fears and see if we can really hear the difference. You know what sounds the same? That very first bar. And that's it. And that's okay still. There's one more technique I want to share with you that I already employed that is kind of, for me, a go-to: contradictory thinking. I use this right over here when I finally had my rhythm. Ba-da-da, right? So all I needed to think was, okay, well, if Tears for Fears goes up, if I go down, it's gonna sound different and not like Tears for Fears because I'm doing the exact opposite. I'm contradicting Mad World, even though we started with the exact same musical material. And I did that exact same thing for the little repeat over here. Notice we went, right? Instead of going back up to the E, all I did was go down to the C sharp. I went down instead of up. A simple move like that is all it takes to create a subtle sense of complexity that makes the music feel so much more alive than if you just wholesale directly repeated what you did before. So there you go. That is how you can stop writing melodies that already exist. You can use your inner ear prediction, or you can just straight up do some blatant contradictions to what you're inspired from, and that's going to get you so far into making it your own and making it feel different. If you want more melodic tools to help you elevate your melodies, check out my free training, 7 Ways to Write a More Effective Melody. If you want even more tools, the same tools, in fact, that I learned in music school, but you don't want to pay music school prices like tuition, you should check out my course, the Melody Mastery Mini Course. I give you all of those same techniques, same concepts that film scores, classical composers, past and present, that they use, that I use, and I can show them all to you in my course. You can check out both of those at justwritemusic.com. There's one more tool that I want to tell you about, and it is truly a game changer just because of how stupid simple it is and just how effective it is. It's crazy. So click on the video that's popping up on your screen now, and I will tell you all about it. Thanks so much for watching and for hanging out with me today. I'm Avi. Don't forget to be awesome.